If you're a streamer and you're looking to grow your community and you want more followers, gifts, subs, or anything like that, you're in the right place. Welcome to the Live Success Academy. Before I show you around, just quickly, let me tell you a bit about me. So in 2020, I started a gaming TikTok page, which I grew to over 240k followers. At the same time, I had an unrelated YouTube Shorts channel called Rich YouTubers, which I grew to over 235,000 subscribers, and as it says here, over 90 million views. But these days, I prefer to teach people about live streaming and sharing what I've learned over the past 4.5 years. And that is where the Live Success Academy comes in. And the single biggest thing I've learned is if you want to make money as a live streamer, you need to build yourself a strong, loyal community of viewers. So that is the goal of the Live Success Academy here, to share best practices and tips that will help you grow that strong community. Now, there's really 3 ways in the Live Success Academy we do this. You can, of course, read this about page that you're on right now, but let me give you a quick sneak peek. So if I start with the community, this is text-based posts, and I post in here many times per week. And as a member, you'll be able to post in here as well, asking for help or sharing what you've learned. Anyway, let's just have a quick look at what I've been posting this week. I post a summary every week. And for example, this week, I've been sharing how do I think the vertical video algorithms work, why it's important to watch back your live streams, do TikTok prefer mobile streams to PC Mac streamers, how does the TikTok live algorithm work? That is the type of thing we discuss inside this community tab here. But we also have the classroom tab, and this is full of helpful videos where I share best practices that will help you grow a stronger community. If you do join the Live Success Academy, I strongly suggest you start with the welcome videos in the classroom. And we have the calendar tab where I encourage the community to hop on to a Discord voice call and chat with each other 3 times a week. And often I will hop in there myself to talk to all of you as well. So again, if you're looking to build a stronger live streaming community and you want to help get yourself more followers, gifts, subs, or anything like that, then I hope to see you inside the Live Success Academy.